am Lewis. I am going to show you how to make brownies. Today I'm going to make my mom's brownies. I know what you must be thinking. They are just boxed brownies, but they are the best thing I ever had. I always thought they were homemade, but learned they are actually from a box. To me, that's okay, because they are good. The brownie mix. And 1/2 cups of oil. 1/4 cups of water. 2 eggs. Preheat the oven to 350. Combine the brownie mix. 2 eggs. 1/4 cups of water. And 1/2 cups of oil. And mixed everything together until the batter was smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 34 minutes. Let the brownies cool completely. This is how my family makes brownies.